Hey y'all, watch me put the pattern hair dryer to the test. What's up YouTube? It's your girl Fat Girl Slim. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome for the first time. I'm just gonna get right into it. I copped the highly coveted pattern hair dryer. I'm too geek to get into this today, but I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing with you guys just to show y'all what's in here. I've never spent this much on a hair dryer in my life. I am a very much a hot shots kind of girl, so we're gonna see what's going on in here. So when you first open this up, there's a little diagram showing you all the goodies in your box and a sweet note from the beautiful Tracy Ellis Ross. There's a nice, it's actually a cool little poem about exploring your pattern. And then we're gonna get into the actual products. Now I've already taken the plastic off everything, but you got your hair dryer here, the wide tooth comb attachment, the diffuser attachment. This is what I'm gonna be using today to dry my wash and go. The brush tool is what I'm most excited about. I think that's gonna be really great for a blowout, and your concentrator nozzle. Here is the dryer. The logo on the side, you got your attachment hooks here. The cool shop button in the front. You got 3 heat settings, 2 fan settings, and there's the ion button on the top. I do know that the ions do help reduce frizz, so if you're a curly girl and you do not have an ion button on your hair dryer, take it back to the store and get another one. So I'm gonna do my regular wash and go routine, and of course I use all pattern products because I'm a pattern stan. Then we're gonna try out the curl diffuser tool. I typically allow my hair to air dry because my hair does tend to get very, very frizzy, but we're gonna see how the pattern hair dryer holds up. So I'm all done washing and deep conditioning. In just in case you were curious, I did use the pattern clarifying shampoo, and then I used the transition mask by pattern, and then I deep conditioned with the intensive conditioner. And so now I'm just going to go in with some leave-in conditioner, the jojoba oil blend to kind of just do the lock method. And then I'm going to use the pattern curl gel to define my curls. But this is my hair. So I'm just applying my leave-in conditioner, the oil, and then I am doing the curl gel section by section. Nothing to see here. All right. So I got my hair all good and detangled, and the curl gel is in here. I probably went overboard, which is why you see all this white stuff on my face, but you know what? We just gonna keep going. I got my hair dryer all ready to go. We're gonna hook up our diffuser, line the arrows up where they're supposed to go, and bam, we are ready to diffuse. So I'm gonna do this on the medium heat setting. I think it's like if it dries too fast, that makes it even frizzier. I'm also gonna press the ion button here. That's the blue light. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's letting me know that the ion is activated. Yes, when you hold the cool shot and the ion button, you don't have to keep it pressed. Like on cheaper versions, you can actually just press it in one time and it holds it down. So we want those the ionizer on because that helps your cuticles remain closed, so it'll reduce the frizziness. Happens when we're trying to dry our hair. And your girl does not need help in the frizz department.
2,000 years later.
My hair is like naturally frizzy, right? But it is definitely, let's just say, I've never had this much curl definition with a wash and go from using a dryer. My hair is about, let's say about 85% dry. I'm okay with letting it finish air dry. It get a little frizzy toward the end, but that's because I got impatient and kicked it up to the highest setting, and I honestly shouldn't have done that. I should have just left it where it was. I am happy with the results. I think it actually dried my hair pretty quick. Despite the frizziness I got towards the end, it actually did a good job of maintaining my curl pattern. Overall, I am pleased. Now, I think the real test we'll be able to see is how this does on a blowout. That's what I'm most curious about seeing. So, and I have to say, this is probably the best my wash and goes have looked for somebody with low porosity hair. I think I did really good as far as getting the definition. All right, so I am ready to hit the streets. But y'all, I am feeling the wash and go. I'm about 98% dry now. I just did my makeup and everything. Got plenty of definition. Not nearly as much frizz as I've had in the past. So maybe I can use a curl diffuser now. All right, so the pattern hair dryer gets a thumbs up for me as far as the curl diffuser goes. My next tryout will be to do a blowout. I'll probably do that next weekend now. I usually go to my Eco Styler gel because that curl gel was just too soft for me. But y'all, it's actually doing what it's supposed to do this time. So I am impressed. One last thing, just in case anybody was wondering about my makeup. I am doing so well on my makeup journey, trying to get it all together. But I did do my eyes again with the Golden Hour palette by Naja Hall Beauty. And my lips, I used the Brownie Lip Liner by Juvia's Place. The Stout Pout Matte color Magenta by Naja Hall Beauty on my lips. The highlighter is Diamondbomb by Fenty Beauty. And of course, my foundation concealer, Juvia's Place. And my matchstick is Fenty. So this is a whole black on face right here. Look at us. Look at us winning. All right, so thank y'all for tuning in. Love you. Bye.